Hi YouTubers, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and today I want to talk to you about the most powerful law of attraction technique that you can use to help your family get out of difficult situations. Yes, this is including yourself. If you have a situation and you're trying to help your family, this is the best manifesting technique that I can tell you to use to get quick results. So watch this quick video all the way to the end. And if you're new to My World of Metaphysics, this is the Law of Attraction Metaphysical Life Coaching channel that brings you information in an easy to understand manner to help change your life. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you can, tap that bell. Now let's get started. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to say about the most powerful law of attraction technique that you can use to help you or your family get out of difficult situations or manifest whatever it is you want in your life? Now, I've used this technique plenty of times to help my family get out of situations or get things that they wanted in their life that seemed like it was going to be difficult. The first thing I would like to tell you is that if you're going to use this technique, you really have to look beyond the problem or the situation and leave it wherever it is. You have to no longer see your family member in that situation, okay, in order for this to work. And the best time to do this would be either early in the morning upon waking up, but I prefer right before going to sleep. When I say right before going to sleep, I'm talking about while you're in the bed, the lights are off, the TV's off, and you're about to go to sleep, and this is when you're going to do what I'm about to say. Now, the most powerful technique that you can use to help yourself or your family members get out of any situation is visualization, okay? But it's a little different, people. So before you say, no, it's visualization, but I want you to do it in a particular way. Whatever it is your family is going through, whatever it is your family is trying to accomplish, I need you to rewrite whatever it is that is going on in their lives that night. I need you to actually visualize yourself speaking to your family member and actually stating congratulations for whatever it is that they wanted or whatever it is they needed to get out of. Now, you are actually going to be speaking to that family member by the phone or in person in your visualization. Now, what are you going to be doing while you're doing this? You're going to either be congratulating this person or you're going to be hearing this person speak to you about how everything worked out. That's right. So let me give an example. You have a daughter. She's actually in college and she's having difficulties. And she's calling you up upset saying, Mom, there's no way in the world I'm going to pass this test. I failed it before. There's absolutely no way I'm going to pass it. I need you then, before going to sleep, to visualize your daughter calling you up saying, Mom, I did it. Not only did I pass, but I passed with flying colors and I made the honor roll. By you visualizing, taking whatever it is she is going through and erasing it and making the conversation totally different, you are actually putting forth a vibration for her to help her get out of the situation, whatever it is she's in. Now, I've used this technique plenty of times. I have 2 family members that got apartments from this technique. I actually visualize myself speaking to my family members, saying congratulations and speaking to them about whatever it is they were desiring. I had a family member that needed an apartment. I had another family member that wanted to get out of their apartment and get into another apartment. Both of these people not only got their apartments for a price that they can really easily afford, but they got extra things with the apartment that made it totally unbelievable. One person, their electric was included with their rent. Another person who actually thought they weren't going to get the apartment, they got it and actually had a bus stop right in front of their door. These things can happen when you visualize and put forth a vibration for your other loved ones. Now, let's talk about if you're trying to manifest something for yourself. This works just as fast. We're going to do the same thing that we did before, but now we're going to reverse the conversation where you are actually telling your loved one that you did it and that they are actually congratulating you for whatever it is that you wanted in your life. Now, let's have an example involving you. Let's just say you're having problems at your job, either with your boss or things just aren't going well at your job. I want you to visualize right before going to bed speaking to a loved one. It could be your mom, your brother, your sister, your child, your husband, whoever it is you will be speaking to if you had a problem or if things went well. I want you to actually visualize yourself speaking to that person saying, "Oh my God, I can't believe it. The boss came up to me and apologized and stated that he made a big mistake and that I was the one that was actually doing everything correct. He wants me now to lead a department to actually train other people so that they can know the right way of doing things. I can't believe it. This is going to lead to a promotion for me." And then I want you to visualize hearing the person on the other end of the phone or in person stating to you, "Congratulations. I knew this would work out for you. I knew this would come to an end very soon." Now, you can actually use this for situations in your life that you want to get out of, situations that you're trying to create, houses, cars, money, whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. You can actually use this technique for anything. It is the most powerful technique that you can use, and it happens very quickly. So again, you cannot sit there and dwell on what is not happening. You really have to focus on what it is you want in your life, what it is you want to see. You have to actually ignore whatever it is that's going on. And that's the only way you're going to do it. You are actually lifting your vibration, lifting your consciousness up to the level of where you want to be and where you want your family to be. Okay? Now listen, YouTubers, this is the most powerful thing that you can do using the law of attraction to help other people. Visualizing as if it is already done. Actually having that conversation with your loved ones that it is already done. I've used it, it works, and I'm going to tell you right now, it works fast. The thing is, you have to believe. You have to leave whatever was in the past, and no longer acknowledge it as being a reality. Again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. I'm always bringing you law of attraction, metaphysical lessons to help change your life. Try this powerful technique, and don't forget to support My World of Metaphysics by liking, subscribing, and tapping that bell. Follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com where you can receive one-on-one coaching from me. You can also go to store.myworldofmetaphysics if you want to buy crystals and candles and sage, anything to help you with your manifestations. Again, this is Yvette. Namaste.